What time's our reservation?
7:30.
Oh, okay, yeah, we have time. I just want to get something quick to eat. Ooh. If anything, I don't even mind gas station food.
Where's your hands?
Starving.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh! Wait. It's there.
I think we should just leave the car at the Grove.
I don't mind.
Parking's gonna be such a bitch over there.
Everyone's here.
Me and pee pee and poo poo. Show me what you're watching.
What's the date today? The 3rd?
It's okay, sugar. I'll be back soon. Please, I need your voice.
There's
my
literally
comfort.
nothing specific going on
Oh,
today.
baby, you're so sweet. I'll be in Minecraft streaming in a sec, haha. Hey, Dream. What?
Santa!
Santa!
We would have been here by now if we took a bird.
Literally. Learn how to like pick up the pace.
Just the regular one. The 4-piece glass, can you get a sauce? You put it aside. What's that?
Excuse me? It's going to be a half. It's going to take them 30 minutes to get on.
I'm a content cow, bro. I'm a cash cow.
You're a content cow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, pack it up. Pack it up.
Oh.
Did you say you had the key or the I know.
Please don't exploit me.
You're being exploited.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, I'm recording this random moment.
It's like settlements, but like, yeah. Where is the thing? Wait, where could it possibly
be? Make eye contact.
Oh.
Why is it so blurry?
I don't know.
Oh, there, it's focused. Yeah! Look where we are. Oh my god, it looks so magical.
Hi guys, this is the year 2023. It's not 2001 or 1997.
Thank you.
Stop being awkward, guys. This is like the whitest it'll go. Hi guys.
Hi. Hi.
Oh my god, the quality.
We should legalize incest.
No, please. What?
Brought me to the parking lot. I think it's on. No, it's not on Highland.
It's off of a.
And you're following the guide.
I just hate how narrow the parking structure is.
I know, it's scary.
I know.
down. Zoom in. Zoom in. I'm doing it. He's in there. He's in there, I bet. I'm exploiting this bird.
It's missing a leg.
Oh. Buddy. Dave and Buster's. Who's Dave and why is he busted? Who is Dave? Tell me. They have Nicki Minaj.
Oh.
It looks the same as
It's the same.
I kind of want these black ones.
Yeah, they are the same. I think those ones in the bottom are new. The bottom.
Oh, I like those black ones.
That's what I just said. I think those ones are new.
So how do we know what
The Nicki or the Barbie ones?
Yeah.
There's the thing right there, the little ruler, and then there's sizing chart.
Okay, let you guys order first so I can like see the nail.
Oh, it's. Because I wanted to be able to take them off when I work on Monday.
Don't actually do that.
POV, I gouge your eye out.
Please don't.
Guys, I think
Oh, sorry.
POV. I got your eye out. I think the microphone is over here.
Oh, damn it.
I
do have Coke Actually, no. The ones I have in my purse are my favorite. So
I have a
they're my
Coke
second
nail.
favorite.
You're literally doing coke?
I'm doing coke.
You're literally doing coke live on television. That's just like Amber Heard.
What?
She did coke live on television.
Oh.
You did?
During the Johnny Depp court case.
What the thing?
She had coke in her pocket and was sniffing on it.
Wait, what?
That's scary.
She had coke, Amber Heard had coke in her pocket and was sniffing it during the court cases.
She had what in her pocket?
Coke! She's sick of it.
Oh my god, these are so freaking cute.
How is the latest ASMR going? It's going pretty well. Damn, you still got that many nails up? Yes, dude. Oh my god, I was struggling. Can't a woman struggle? This is what
Isn't that all that women do?
struggle? You women are good at struggling.
One of them says plump.
Plump?
Do you want to see?
Plump, plump. Sticking out your yachts for the resort. You're so skinny.
What are you saying?
You're so film tax. I just wanna be your Sigma.
Someone is gonna put us into a core video, dude.
They're gonna put us in a cringe compilation.
Oh god, two idiots doing their nails.
Aaron's nails.
I need 2 more, guys.
Ivana's nails. Lauren's nails one more time. My nails.
Done!
Ivana's done. Aaron's
Struggling?
struggling.
I'm struggling. Guys, how do we feel about this, guys? How do you open this?
Live feed.
Guys,
Scammed.
I think she might need help.
I got it. There's nothing in there.
Where did you put your stickers?
I threw them away because I used them all because they only gave me half.
That is unfortunate. They usually come in like 4 rows.
I know, I thought they were trying something new.
Guys, we need to clean up.
Oh, I pulled my nail back.
When you pay for parking,
Yeah.
always bring annotation tabs. That will fucking save your life.
Or tweezers.
Annotation tabs work best. I've tried tweezers and it fucking sucks.
How the fuck are any of us gonna get The thing in the pay machine.
Timothée Chalamet.
Frick him, dude.
When I see Timothée Chalamet, you better be ready for a scuffle.
It's so pretty. Look at our claws, guys. Our claws. Oh, 12:02. Sorry, my bad. 10:02, I think. Methinks.
We haven't even been here half an hour.
Oh no, we have.
Jimmy Kimmel, he's here.
Jimmy Kimmel is right here. He's right in front of us, and he's singing the song.
What song?
Singing out the
I don't want to imagine that. Get when I fell right there into the dirt.
What was that thing that fell on the floor? Was that your lip thing?
It was my lipstick on my phone.
Gross.
I threw my phone and my lipstick, and they landed right there. My lipstick was there.
At least there
And
wasn't
my
like any
phone was
poop or. I mean, hopefully.
There might have been pee.
Ooh, it smells.
dog pee, dude.
Okay, the ticket.
Yo, mama pee.
Why would you do that to me, dude?
I'm gonna go on YouTube. Anyways.
Okay. What did you say?
Guys, what kind of reading do you want?
I want just a general past, present, future reading, please.
For the millionth time.
Fucking rude.
This is the best hiking.
Okay, fine. You do. You pick. Surprise me.
Okay. So basically, this is gonna be about your
what her next
This is gonna be about if you could have been famous had you chosen to start a YouTube channel 5 years ago.
Okay.
Could Gabby have been famous if she chose to start a YouTube channel 5 years ago? Whatever card pops up on the top is the answer.
can I tap?
I guess.
Okay, go on.
Oh, 3 of Pentacles reversed.
Oh my gosh.
Truth achieved. This is enjoyable, but ultimately is not enough to fulfill you. You need to keep on working. Teamwork is indicated, and help may be coming from a mentor or associate. This card denotes skill in a trade or artistic ability that brings financial rewards and honor.
That's
You should
crazy.
have started that. That's what that bring.
What are you doing, Butter?
Oh, is it connected to your headphones long?
Yeah, I don't have a speaker.
I know what to get you now.
King of Swords reversed.
Oh, he really wants to.
Swords.
Can I let him sip the deck?
Don't let him lick it.
Oh!
What does it look like?
Butter!
What did he do?